I need to get to their side of the street because I came across a lot of cars over here. So that means I had to wait for a while so I can get there. I went shopping at traditional market. Look at this cat. He looks really sleepy. And I thought I was really sleepy too, guys. And I was buying orange too, and I did balance as well. Take the orange with this number. Oh my god. Ooh, look at this one. You also see this is the big one, and also this is the little one. If you want to try, you just get to this one. Yeah, so today I just cooking something right in the kitchens, and also you also see the kitchen, the stove, and also some of pan as well. I have 1, 2, and that one, 3. This one. Okay. And chicken. Yeah, chicken. And also I have ingredient. So this is ready to use to the pan. So this is refrigerators. I have always been save my stuff, my food over this place. So yesterday I also have a martabak, just leftover, and I'm just full with this yesterday, and I'm trying to save into this refrigerator instead. Okay, let me do. I have been trying to cook something since I move from my house. I mean, like, I moved, but because get to go to school to another region as well. So that's because I have already